Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jovita, your chess doctor, and welcome to the Chess Game Show. How we do it here, it's simple. We've used the game of chess to play trivia questions. 3 questions, one from World Chess Federation, one from the chessboard, and definitely one from our beloved Nigerian Chess Federation. Okay, so today we're going to be having someone special, our guest, and it's no other person than...
I'm doing very fine, thank you.
Yes, thank you for coming for our show. So I think I've met you a couple of times in tournaments. Can you tell me some of your tournamental experience, some experiences you've had in tournaments?
Okay. I think the time you are talking about was when I was very active. Almost every tournament that came up in the country, be sure you see me there. But now, family life and parenting has taken a better part of that too. I've faced some sacrifices about my game, but I'm still much in touch with the game.
Great. So so it's believed that parenting, family life actually deters and reduces people's activity with chess. Do you think so?
I think it actually does. It's a significant aspect of their chess career. So, but once you're able to walk around it and manage balance, I think still be good as well.
I know some prominent chess players that actually, as they just start family, go married, they just disappear from the chess world, and then maybe after like 10 years, they come back and then they start struggling to, keep up the pace and all of those things.
That's very true.
Very true, actually. Okay, so you know how we do this. 3 questions, one from the World Chess Federation, one from the chessboard, and one from Nigeria, basically the Nigerian Chess Federation.
Great.
Okay, so the first question is from the World Chess Federation, and it's which country has the highest numbers of chess grandmasters? I know with Nigeria first, we don't even have any. Let's start with that. So I don't know the country that has the highest. We have A, India, B, Russia, C, Norway, and D, China. Which country? India, Russia, Norway, and China.
Russia.
Russia. Okay, why? What's the reason for Russia? For me, I used to think it's India or Norway actually.
You know, growing up and learning about chess, most of the things I learned were most from Russia. So, but lately, I'm very hearing that India is coming up with the number of games that they have in their country. But I don't have a ballpark figure of it, but I'll go with Russia.
Okay, great. So Russia is actually correct. India is coming up. Norway just the presence of the Norwegian World Grandmaster. Actually, I think that's what keeps that place going. And then China is just something that just treated as a distraction. Okay, great. So second question, and this for the chessboard itself. So there's a very popular slogan we use, very popular, both chess players, non-chess players. Everybody uses the word checkmate. And I feel they don't even know the meaning of checkmate. Everybody just, anyway, you hear checkmate, checkmate, checkmate. Okay, so the question goes, checkmate in chess means dash. King should run, king is dead, king should wait, and king never dies.
King is dead.
King is dead. Is that your final answer?
Yeah, that's my final answer.
Okay, actually, that's correct. King is dead is actually very correct. Okay. And this is the last question from our Nigerian setting. And I know you'll get this one. All the other Nigerian questions, we don't get it, but I think you should get this one.
Don't be surprised.
No, I'll be shocked if you don't get it. Okay, so let's go. Who is the convener of the NGO Chess and Slums? A. Demi Kuti, B. Tunde Onakoya, C. Mildred Franklin, and D. None of the above.
I get very good friend Tunde.
So I told you that it will be a shock for me if you don't get it actually. Yeah, and Tunde is actually correct.
It is well done.
Yeah, and he's doing a really good job with chess actually. Okay, so you see, it was very easy, and you actually got my 3 questions. I don't know if it's by chance, or was it that you're well grounded, or what do you think?
I believe I've always been keeping in tap with what is happening in the chess scene, both local and international. So I think that's what helped me to be able to
get this.
Get those pictures.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for coming. I have a gift for you before you leave. Okay, and this from us. Okay, thank you so much for being a part of this. Right, so
I appreciate it.
hope to see you next season, better and stronger.
Thank you very much.
That's all I have this week on this episode. Until we come your screen again next week, keep playing chess and enjoy chess and enjoy life. See ya.